Alright, hey YouTube, so today we are going to be showing you my ceiling fan display out of all the ceiling fans that I made. So the first one, we have a brand new Lucky ceiling fan, and it has the control on the wall. You can see the color of it is white, it's got 3 blades and the Lucky logo. And I gotta make this one quick because it falls off the ceiling easily. And now next up we have a 4-blade Rainbow Hunter ceiling fan. And now we have a white Hampton Bay ceiling fan with a light. And you can see it spins. Next up we have Harbor Breeze with 5 brown blades. And this one all of a sudden stopped. Now this one is also a Harbor Breeze. And you can see it has the light cord inside. Next we have an unknown brand one that has the butterfly ceiling fan, multicolor blades. This is the light in it. How cool. Also we have Hampton Bay with 6 rainbow blades. And that one turns on the fan. And this is another Hampton Bay with 3 light bulbs. You gotta love it. Now we have another Harbor Breeze made out of wood. That's the light, and that's the fan. Now this is another Hunter ceiling fan. No light. This is a 4-blade. Now we have a 4-blade fan with an invisible light. Now we have this dark blue Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. I painted it dark blue on purpose. Now this one is also a Hampton Bay Littleton, but it has this, and the third cord changes the direction. And now last but not least, we have a Black Hunter ceiling fan. So I hope you enjoyed all my ceiling fans on display. Game link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.